lovelies, welcome back. Welcome to my chicken with red bean video. Okay, for this video we do need one medium onion, we need 400 grams of capsicum, which is roughly 2 medium capsicums. Now optional is 1 tablespoon of sliced jalapeno peppers, but I'm going to leave them out because I want my granddaughter to eat it, so I'm just going to leave a couple of hot things out, but I'll write the recipe below as always for you guys, so you can whack it all in there if you like it hot and spicy. Alright, so we need 2 cloves of garlic or the jar garlic, we need chili powder, paprika, ground coriander seeds, some cumin, 750 grams of chicken mince. Now we need 2, it says 310 gram cans of red kidney beans, but these are 400 gram cans, so I'm just going to use them. Now it says 425 gram can of diced tomatoes. This is a 400 gram can, so that will have to do. We need some tomato paste and some fresh parsley, roughly a tablespoon chopped up to go in it, and some to sprinkle over the top. And mate, that is all we need. Alright, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get our red kidney beans, our 2 cans of them. We're going to tip them into a strainer. Alright, so what I did is I put them in my strainer, and because they come out with all this slushy stuff on them, and you just got to constantly keep the water on them and get them until they're nice and clean with no slushy stuff on them. Now once you've done that, I'm just going to chuck them into a bowl and set them aside. Now I use 2 different cans. I don't know if you can see that from there. See, 2 different sorts. Same red kidney beans, but 2 different cans. So you can see the 2 different coloured ones. It's different, isn't it? Right, now we want to get our capsicum and onion. So with the capsicums, we want to cut them, gut the middle out, and we want to chop it really, really small. And same with the onion. That's supposed to be a medium one. I've just put 2 together, 2 small ones together. So same with the onion. We want to chop it really, really small. And you can put them both in the same bowl or plate because they go in at the same time together. So chop them up and then set them aside. So once we've got everything ready to go, I've got my beans ready, my onion and capsicums ready, I've cracked open the can of tomatoes, I've chopped up the parsley, get your garlic out and have that ready with your crusher, grab out some tablespoon and teaspoon measurements for our spices and tomato paste and that. And as soon as we've done that, we want to get out, you want a large frying pan that has a lid with it, alright, because we need to put the lid on halfway through. I'm just going to use my trusty electric fry pan as always. So get that out and heat it up and let's do this. We've got our pan heated up. I've got mine on halfway. Alright, just a little splash of oil. Doesn't matter what oil, anyone you can get your hands on. Alright, the first thing we want to put in there is our onion and capsicum. Now if you're using the jalapenos, put your tablespoon of sliced ones in now. Put your 2 cloves of crushed garlic, or your big heat teaspoon of your jar garlic in there. Now we just want to fry it up for a couple of minutes until our onions see through. Mate, it smells amazing already and we've got bugger all in there. Okay, now we're going to whack our spices in. So if you're going to put chili powder in, you want to put half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Now we want to give it a good mix up and we want to just fry it off for a couple of minutes until all those aromas come through.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, the smell, my God, it's amazing. Alright, now we want to add all of our chicken mince and we want to fry it up once it's all browned. We now add our kidney beans, our full can of tomatoes, our tablespoon of parsley. Mix it in really well. Once we've mixed all those in, we want to put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste in there, and then we want to mix that up really well. Alright, now that's all mixed in really well, we want to put a lid on. We want to put it on for a very light simmer for 15 minutes. Just give it a stir up every 5 minutes or so. Oh man, 15 minutes later, mwah, it smells amazing in here. Sorry about the lighting, you just can't tell how dark coloured it is. Hopefully you can when we chuck in the bowl. Now we just chuck them in a bowl. I reckon it would serve 6 easy. If you got yourself some tortilla wrappers or the hard taco shells, you might be able to fill them up with that with a little bit of lettuce or something would be yummy as well if you want to make it for a lot more people. Well, there you have it, you beautiful people, you. Chicken with red beans. Wouldn't think of it, would you? I'm telling you, it is absolutely to die for. To die for. See? I can't even speak, I just can't wait to shove it in my mouth. Alright, just drop a little bit of parsley over the top for some greenery, make it look pretty. Boom. Done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll see you soon. Bye.